Hello viewers. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best top-loading washing machines in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is COMFEE Portable Washing Machine. If you're missing a washing machine and are tired of making the trip to a laundrette or picking up clothes from a pricey dry cleaner, setting up a portable washing machine is a perfect solution to all your washing woes. The COMFEE Portable Washing Machine is small, space-saving, and yet powerful enough to take care of your daily laundry needs. This portable washing machine has 6 programs, including normal, quick, heavy, bulky, delicate, and spin, only making it extremely easy to use, especially if you've never used a washing machine before. Measuring only 20.7 inch in width, 20.3 inch in depth, and 36.6 inch in height, this washing machine is compact enough to fit comfortably in a kitchen, bathroom, or even an RV. The COMFEE washing machine features a high-quality, efficient, and durable motor, saving as much as 84% energy consumption compared to traditional mechanical washing machines, according to the manufacturer. Also, to keep your little ones safe, this washing machine features a handy child lock, which allows you to freeze the control panel to make sure everything runs smoothly. Number 2. Our second best pick is Nictemaw Portable Washing Machine. The Nictemaw Portable Washing Machine features a compact and lightweight design, ideal for space saving in your dormitory and apartment. The full automatic spin wash and dry makes it easy to operate from 10 washing program options. With an improved load capacity of up to 13 pounds, it can meet all your daily laundry needs with durable performance. With the transparent lid design, this washing machine allows you to see and monitor the water and washing conditions. Featuring a durable rust-resistant steel inner tub, lint filter, water inlet, and drain pump, which allows you to drain out dirty water easily. Nictemaw is so confident with their product that they offer a 2-year warranty service with 24/7 customer support if ever you require it. This is certainly a great deal and well worth checking out. Number 3. Our third best pick is BLACK+DECKER BPWH84W Washer Portable Laundry. Laundry can be taken almost anywhere with this BLACK+DECKER portable washer. This product features 8 cycle selections and electronic touch controls for easy use. With 3 different load size options, this washing machine can adapt to any wash you like, and the adjustable leveling leg and rollers allow for easy transportation. The sleek design looks great in a bathroom or kitchen, matching any modernist decor. In addition, the inclusion of equipped with a transparent top lid to act as an easy viewing window solves the main issue with top-loading washing machines of not being able to observe your precious clothes in action. This washing machine unit comes equipped with a shut-off feature designed for protection and safety. If the washer's lid is opened, the washer will automatically shut off. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Jontech's Full Automatic Washing Machine. If you're inundated with limited room in your utility room or bathroom, this next pick might be a perfect option for you. The Jontech's Full Automatic Washing Machine combines a washing machine and a dryer into one super appliance to beat them all. Equipped with a single cylinder, the washing machine not only can be used to wash your clothes but also for drying them. With a capacity to wash up to 8.8 pounds of clothing, there's plenty of room for the clothes of a small family or student household. The machine features a drainage tube and a drain pump, which allows you to drain out dirty water easily. Made of both PP and stainless steel, this washing machine is built like a tank, and weighing 19.6 kilograms, this washing machine is bound to last you many years. With a transparent washer lid, it's as easy as a front-loading washing machine to check the status of the wash. In addition, the inclusion of a child lock mode allows you to lock the washing machine to avoid children or pets opening the washing machine and getting injured. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Panda Full Automatic Portable Machine. Boasting a unique, space-saving design, would be a great addition to any household that appreciates the portability and compactness of this washing machine. This washer directly to your kitchen or bathroom faucet with the included Quick Connect adapter kit, avoiding the need for any expensive plumbing services. Its sturdy and quiet design accommodates up to 10 pounds of laundry in its stainless steel drum, which is durable and resists rust and chipping. There are 10 different and distinct wash cycle programs, perfect if you're unsure of what settings to apply to your wash. Though, if you're a washer pro, you can also use the manual mode on the handy and functional control panel on the top of the washer. The machine will automatically fill water and stop filling water, so the machine must be connected to the faucet. You can't, unfortunately, add water manually. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.